Hello
Hello
viewers, you
viewers,
are
you are
welcome to
welcome.
Frequency Online Maths. Today we are going to start from where we stopped in finding the trig ratio of 270 degrees. So we are going to write sine 270 degrees is equal to, remember in our quadrant, we have that the second quadrant is what? 180 minus what? Theta. So we are going to, okay, we are not even doing second quadrant, we are in what? Third quadrant. So third quadrant is what? Theta minus what? 180. So we have sine bracket theta minus 180 degrees. So we are going to have that sine 270 degrees is equals to sine, our theta is 270 minus 180 degrees. So sine 270 degrees is equals to sine bracket 270 minus 180 is what? 90 degrees. So we are going to have sine 270 degrees is equals to sine 90 degrees. So sine 270 degrees is equal to sine 90 degrees is what? 1. We come to this third quadrant. Sine is what? Negative. So we are going to attach what? Negative here. So the value for sine 270 degrees is negative. We come to cos 270 degrees is equals to what? Using the same formula, cos bracket theta minus 180 degrees. So we are going to have cos 270 degrees is equals to cos bracket, our theta is what? 270 minus 180 degrees. So cos 270 degrees is equals to cos 270 minus 180 is what? 90 degrees. So cos 270 degrees is equal to cos 90 is what? 0. So the value for 270 degrees is what? 0. We come to this quadrant, cos is what? Negative. Putting minus 0 and 0, they are still the same thing. So we are going to find tan 270 degrees. Using the same formula is equals to tan bracket theta minus 180 degrees. So that tan 270 degrees is equal to what? Tan 270 minus 180 degrees. So tan 270 degrees is equal to tan what? 90 degrees. So we are going to have that tan 270 degrees is equal to tan 90 is what? Complex what? Infinite. So that's the value. Now we are going to find cosec 270 degrees. Cosec 270 degrees. Cosec means the reciprocal of what? Sine. Reciprocal of a number is when the product of the two numbers gives us 1. We know that the numbers are what? Reciprocals. So let's assume we have sine. We want to find the reciprocal of sine, and they are telling us that the reciprocal of sine is what? Cosec. We have is equal to 1 over sine. So let's check whether their product will give us 1. We have sine over 1 is equal to times 1 over sine. This one cancel this one. So it's giving us 1. So we conclude that the reciprocal of what? That cosec is the reciprocal of what? Sine. So we are going to have 1 over sine 270 degrees. And our sine 270 degrees is what? 1. So we are going to have minus 1. We are going to have 1 over minus 1, which is equal to what? Minus 1. So cosec 270 degrees is equal to what? Minus 1. That's the value. Now we go for sec. Sec 270 degrees is equal to what? 1 over, we count 1, 2, 3. The third letter is what? C. And C is for cos. Cos what? 270 degrees is equal to 1 over cos 270 degrees is what? 0. So, which is equal to undefined. So we have that sec 270 degrees is equal to what? 1 over 0 undefined. So we have to find cot 270 degrees. Remember that sine over cos is equal to what? Tan. And cos over sine is equal to what? Cot. And cot is equal to 1 over what? Tan. So to find the value of cot 270 degrees, we are going to know that, let's clean this side. In finding the value of cot 270 degrees, cot is equal to what? Cos theta over sine theta, which is equal to what? Cos 270 degrees all over sine 270 degrees. So cot 270 degrees is equal to cos 270 is what? 0. We have 0 over sine 270. We have cleaned it, but I think sine 270 is what? Minus 1. So 0 divided by minus 1 is what? 0. So cot 270 degrees is equal to 0. Thank you for viewing and God bless you. In our next video, we are going to discuss on how to find sine 360 degrees, cos 360 degrees and the rest. Thank you.